Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete your AOL mail account. So let's go ahead and dive into the video right away. The first thing to do is to open a web browser of your choice and then go to the search box and type in delete AOL mail account. Now soon after you do that, you will then see possible search results for the keywords that you just typed in. Click on this Close Your Account AOL Help link, which will directly take you to the AOL Help page. Before deleting your account, make sure to review and download your account data. Click on the links available on the screen in order to download necessary data from your account. You will also need to sign into your AOL mail account if you continue to do so. Now scroll down and see this Close Your Account tab, from where you will need to click on Sign in to the Account Termination Page option. This will directly take you to the account termination page for AOL. Now you might need to enter your credentials for your account. Sign into your AOL mail account by entering your email and password, and once you see this pop up, click on Continue Deleting My Account. Before continue to deleting your account, make sure to enter your email address that you'd like to delete for your AOL mail account. Make sure to type in your email correct and click on Yes, delete this account. Now your account has been deactivated and it will be permanently deleted after a waiting period. The waiting period will be for 30 days. During this period, if you get back into your account, then you will be able to reactivate your account by logging in again. If you don't log in within the 30 days grace period, then your account will be deleted after 30 days permanently. So that is how you can easily delete your AOL mail account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.